All right, so I want to try something today. A little warm up just to get moving. Put all these targets out here already. So I think we'll start at the 5-yard line. Let's go 5. This looks like 10. 5, 10. Call this 15. Sure. 15. I'll get my rangefinder to actually check the distance here. So I have it. Why not use it? I don't know if I want to shoot this on 1 target or 2. I'm gonna try it on 1 for now and see how I like it. Alright, this is 18 yards. .5 yards, so yeah, close enough. Doesn't really matter. We're just gonna go 2, 2, 2, and then reload up to the front for 2 more. And we're gonna do it in reverse. So pretty self-explanatory here. Not anything too crazy going on. All right, let's get it. All right, stand by. All right, so the time was on that, so it should be 2, 4, 6, 8 rounds. Of course, didn't pick up the last, or the ones over there. Last shot was an 11.55, first shot an 11.1. Check those hits. 2 Charlies here. Cool. Let's try it again. Cool. So same thing, but in reverse. Let's try it out. Stand by. All right, 1286. No surprises there. A little slower because I got to reload on a retreating position. And 1 Charlie. Cool. All right, I want to try the same thing, but I'm going to add a no shoot into the mix and an extra target. So let's see, it'd be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 rounds. Great. It's empty, just like having something there. All right. Cool. I think I'm going to take the open target first on pretty much every position, just because less risk while I'm settling in there. Is my reasoning anyway. Stand by. All right. 1564. Charlie on the open target and a Charlie on the no shoot. This was my second shot, I believe, from the second position. I saw my dot kind of track this way, but I felt really good on this one. Really try to lock it in. I know for a fact I had 2 alpha at the 15, at 18, whatever. I did not call this one, but what are you gonna do? Can't be perfect. So 1564 with 2 Charlies. Let's go get more ammo. I want to try it in reverse. All right, so targets are pasted. We're gonna do the same thing in reverse. Yeah, I guess gotta be patient on that no shoot, especially when I'm starting off at like 15, almost 20 yards. Man, the reflection of the sun. I'm getting like a double dot kind of going on right now. A little bit distracting. All right, let's see how we do. That was embarrassing. So I felt my mag get stuck in the mag well. What I did was I hit it and then I immediately kicked the gun like this to run backwards, and it just stayed in there. So lesson learned, don't do that. All right, 1669. Nice. I was throwing a couple in the neck, I think, on the no shoot. Yeah, I was being really afraid of it. Clean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, clean. So, not clean. I'm gonna say a Charlie on that one. So 3 Alpha, 5 Charlie. I was really, my dot was just coming down, and I was just not letting it come here. I was kind of scared. So, don't be scared of no shoots. It's just visual noise. That's something I've been trying to work on for a while. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use up this last mag. Well, I got like 4 rounds in there. I just want to try something. So I'm basically just going to, on the buzzer, on the timer, open target. I'm only at 5 yards ish, so not very far away, but I just want to shoot this open target and just see how fast I could transition over to the Alpha on the partial no shoot, just to like stop being afraid of it, I guess. I don't know if this will do anything for me. I think it'll just get me, I don't know, just picking small spots, basically. That's all I'm trying to do. All right, stand by. Nope, that's a no shoot. That's sad. So, yeah, just let the dot come right here. Just got really sucked into this line, I think. Let's try that again. Kind of like this. So 2 Alpha, Alpha no shoot. I'm not really gonna pace these until I'm done. Kind of waste of time. Let's try it again. Okay, there we go. So I forgot to look at the time for the last one, but that was a 188. 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha. Let's try it again. Again, just picking those small spots on the target. Trying to remember. Alright, and there's another no shoot. I love when I tell myself to do something and then I don't do that. Yeah, I made it up with the Alpha, but not fantastic. Let's try one more time. Cool. It's a 213. It's a little slow. I shot pretty conservatively there for the Alphas. But yeah, point is, you can do it. Just got to pay attention. Where's my dot? Nice. All right, let's go get more ammo. All right. So what I'm gonna do here is I just want to practice taking these like partials on the move. That'll be my shooting area. Let's see, take this here. Start here. I want to start here. Kind of go out. 1, 2. Steel on the move. Open, open. Partial, I think? I'll go partial open. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go open, partial, open on the move around the barrier, partial steel. And that'll be, we'll try that. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I mostly just want to shoot something on the move. That's what I'm mainly trying to do here. Stand by. All right, 834. Again, impatient on the steel. I think I dropped a low delta on the open target over there. 2 alpha. I didn't bring pasters. Wasn't very fast. 834. 2 alpha, 2 alpha. But to be honest, I'm trying to shoot more points rather than shoot more fast. 2 alpha. Yeah, low Charlie. Okay. I thought I called it Delta. It was a Charlie. Alright, let's try this again. I'll run it in reverse. I'll do it 3 more times. So down, back, and down again. Alright, so same thing. I'm going to start behind the barrel. Just doing it in reverse here. So come out, drawing on the steel, partial, partial, open, open, and I think I'm going to reload into that position right over there. So everything goes according to plan. Should have enough for that. Okay. Stand by. Alright, 744. Yeah, I think did I get a slide lock reload there? I can't remember. I think I had just enough. Or I just dropped the empty mag. 2 and 2. I felt good. I'm gonna call 2 alpha on this moving target. Felt good on that. Boom, look at that. Nice. And a 744. And oh man, I'll call it a Charlie. That's probably a Charlie. Alright, well, not bad. Set it up again. Alright, same thing. I think I'm gonna just try to be a little bit more aggressive on this one. Aggressive but patient on the steel, because I always tend to not be patient on the steel. So let's do that. All right, stand by. All right, 649. I just stood here, I didn't shoot, and I dropped a Charlie. So that was dumb. I didn't move until I started shooting that one, which was not my intention. So we'll score it. I want to try it again though. So Alpha Charlie, 2 alpha. I'm gonna call 2 alpha again. Nice, 2 alpha again. And 2 alpha, cool. All right, so I'm gonna try this again, same direction. I'm not gonna paste. I'm not gonna paste because I'm lazy. So, but this time I'm actually gonna move out of the position like I'm supposed to, instead of just stand here before I shoot that one. Stand by. .707. All right, I think I threw another Charlie here. I pulled off this target too quick. Yeah, I did. 2 alpha there. Nice little group. 2 alpha over here. Man, I fucking kind of smoking that target. And ooh, Alpha Charlie, very close right here. I did not call it this close. I'll be honest, I thought this was 2 alpha up in here, so good to know. All right, let's reset and we'll do it one more time from the other way. All right, doing this one more time in reverse. Let's set it up for no reload, since the last one we had the reload. Cool. All right, let's see how this goes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. All right, stand by. That was a weird. What did I do there? Glock malfunction? That's impossible. Interessante. Well, I'll have to watch the GoPro video back to see what I did there. I don't think it was me, but we'll find out. Alpha Charlie 2 alpha. That was a 956 with the little hiccup there. 2 alpha. And 2 alpha. Cool. Yeah, got impatient on the steel, just like I said I was gonna not do. Yeah, that's just what I do. All right, well, I'm gonna see if this does the old malfunction thing again, so we'll shoot a bell drill real quick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool. All right, 6 rounds, A zone. See how it goes. Ooh, a little trigger freeze there. 221 first shot and a 112 2033 20181812. Not great. All alpha. Let's do one more. Try to not have so much tension. Jesus Christ. All right. So 196, much more relaxed. All alpha. Yeah, kind of slow, to be honest. 201818 2017. Yeah. First shot was in a 103. Cool. Let's paste that up. I just realized before I paste, I only have 3 rounds left. I'm gonna go on the draw, freestyle, strong hand only, weak hand only, in the head box at 6-ish yards. Stand by. Oh, the weak hand only was terrible. Yeah, that weak hand shot was like, did I mic? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Was it this one? It was down here. It was down here somewhere. Embarrassing. Well, with that being said, let's practice some strong hand, weak hand. So, yeah, I'm gonna give myself like 1 mag to practice this with. I didn't really have this planned, so. Ooh. So yeah. Anyway, strong hand, weak hand practice. We're just gonna go 2, 2, and yeah, it's not rocket science here. Cool. Stand by. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that other shot was not supposed to shoot. But you know what? Gun was in a safe direction and it hit the berm, so cool. Let's try it again. Let's see. Throw a little reload in there and then call it a day. All right, a little bit better. I think if I keep my thumb down, I shoot better. I don't know. Try for the head box. Yeah, these two low ones are my weekend, so. All right, that seems like enough. All right, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot that steel twice. Unloaded start, paper, partial, or open partial steel, partial open steel. Yeah, let's give this a shot. Little mini stage. I don't love that. I had a high Charlie. I think I made it up with an alpha, I believe. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I don't know why. So I shouldn't have made this up, to be honest. It took too long. I saw my dot sit high, shot anyway. Wanted to make it up. Oh shit! I forgot to paste this. So yeah, I don't know. Alpha Charlie. 2 alpha, barely on the bottom edge there. All right, let me go paste that other one. Try it again. That was a 999. I don't know why I was gonna transition to that steel because that's what I was shooting before. Then I was like, and I forgot I switched up. I had a high Charlie on that far target. I think it's in the neck somewhere. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know, man. That might be a 2 alpha. That's up for the viewers to decide. I don't think it broke perf, but yeah, that's a little too close anyway, so don't like that. There's the neck Charlie I was talking about. Oh my god, what did I do on this one? 2 Charlie. That was almost a delta. I hate deltas and 2 alpha. All right, so yeah, not my best work. I think I started taking this on the move, which wasn't originally part of the plan, but you know, gotta mix it up a little bit. All right, run it in reverse, I guess. Much going on. That last one was a 913, by the way. All right, stand by. Dude, I can't do anything. Oh my god. Well, I guess I'll work on the unloaded starts. Holy. That was embarrassing. Good thing I had an extra mag back there. Alright, let's go check the hits. 2 alpha up close. No surprise there. Huh. I think that was... I don't know what that is. I don't think I mic'd. 2 alpha? Double? You know, I'll call it a mic. I don't know. Interesting. I have never seen that happen before. Alpha Charlie here. Damn, alpha mic, huh? I don't think I called a mic. 2 alpha, yeah, a lot better over here. Nice. Just brought that dot up just a little bit. All right, let's try another unloaded start. I barely hit that steel, but I heard a ding, so. Dude, I'm just gonna take the L on that one. Yikes. All right, I guess I have dry fire homework. Golly. All right. Cool. All right. Daily attempt at the Tin Heron headbox bill drill. Honestly, I'm gonna try to just get the alphas and we'll see what the time is. That's my plan anyway. It's a 284. Man, 1 Charlie. Oh, 2 Charlies. Dang. I don't know how he does it, man. Alright, we'll try one more for the time this time. 2 Charlies. Yeah, I'll just keep that in mind. The 211. A lot more Charlies. So there was 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I only had 1 alpha there. What are you gonna do? Alright, 2 rounds left. Let's just mess around a little bit here. Let's see how fast we can get a headshot off at like 3 yards or something. It was a 0.75. Saw it right there. Let's go to a clean one. Alright, and our last round to mess around with. Time to beat is a 0.75. Headshot from a draw at 3 or 4 yards, whatever this is. 7.2. Yeah, a little low. Alright, cool. That's a wrap.